Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a special unboxing of a particular knife, and it's by Microtech. Um, I was I'm kind of working on a November EDC, and I decided that I was going to include something nice to the pouch, and I guess this is what I thought of. Basically, I got the. Let's unbox it. It's my first Microtech. Here's some literature. You get Microtech sticker, some Microtech articles and whatever. Here we go. Some information about how to use it, manual, kinda. All right, let's put this away. And here's the receipt in case you guys think I ordered it from a shady online site where they sell counterfeits. It cost $302 with tax. It was $275. All right, so here is the actual product. Caution, sharp edge, inspected by MB at the factory. The box, I didn't really show off the box, did I? Okay. If you want to freeze that and read that, that's up to you. And that was it. Here we go. Some information on the side of the box. All right. And here is the knife. I'll do my usual slow modeling of it so you can get a really good look. You know, one thing I can't stand is people who do knife videos and they're talking and they have the knife just sitting there like this the whole time they're talking. And I'm like, come on, man, pick up the knife and turn it around so we can see it. You know, can you walk and chew gum at the same time, dude? Please. You know, where he'll like hold the knife like this for like 10, 15 minutes. Like he's talking about the knife for 30 minutes and the whole half of the video he's just holding the knife like this. It just drives me crazy when they do that. I know, I'm just like, please, just show the knife while you're talking. Come on. I didn't notice, like, this is the first time I ever noticed. I've watched videos about this knife all over the place before I bought this knife. And this is the first time I noticed that it has a little lanyard clip here for whatever you want a keychain loop here, whatever you want to call it. That's the first time I ever noticed it. Because you guys, when you guys do knife videos, you don't show the finer details. You just go like, yeah, I got this knife. Oh, and it's like you just hold it in front of the camera like this and you don't like show the finer details, guys. Come on. You know, and then you wait until like at the last minute of the video to just show some pictures of it. I'm like, come on. We want to see the product the whole time you're talking, dude. All right, so don't know much about Microtech. Just like I said, from all I know is from what I've been watching on the videos. This is the Microtech. I think the UTX. There's a serial number here. Let's open up the blade. Oh God, I bet you guys are saying like, you're talking about the knife, but you're not opening the blade, dude. What the hell? Okay, boom. All right, so at the store when I opened this, and I knew about this before I did it, and everybody who does videos on these knives, the Microtechs, say that this button right here is not the easiest to push and pull. It's very firm, okay, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna show how weak I am. I'm gonna do it right, and and I got it like this, I'm like, oh shit. I really didn't realize how hard it was to just, you know, pull it. But you get used to it, and you know, you eventually like know how much pressure to deploy, and you're not, you know, so you don't get stuck like halfway, like, oh, I'm struggling here. Okay, so anyway, let's show off the blade. It says UTX 65 USA Microtech, and I believe the steel right here says M390. Yeah, no, I'm not sure if you are able to read it, but it's M390. That's what it says right there. And I had a choice of getting this one or the stone washed semi spear point blade, and I felt the edge on both of them, and out of the two, this one was sharper. So this one, I believe, I'm not big a fan of stonewash blades because it just feels so, you know, the edge always kind of feels smooth instead of, you know, bitey. So I wanted to get actual stainless color, but because I don't like, well, as much as I like the way it looks, I don't like the black finish on here because it always wears out and scratches up and stuff. And that's fine. I mean, it gives knife character, but at the same time, you know, sometimes, you know, you want a knife to look at its best always, you know, and well, you know, and plus, I like the silver. I like silver blades that just look cooler to me. But this is all right. This gives me that ninja feel. I went with the Tonto blade because I wanted to be able to have some puncture ability to puncture things, stab through materials and stuff like that. So this is gonna be one of the main parts of my next EDC pouch that I'm doing. I have other stuff coming through Amazon. I have another Viperade. Can't pronounce it. Viperade pouch coming in, and a couple other things to go with it. The new EDC pouch. And then after I do a video on that pouch, I'm going to basically do another video of all the pouches that I have. It's going to be a video entitled EDC for every occasion. So anyway, yep. If you have a Microtech and you have this particular model, let me know what your experiences were. How do you like it? How does it hold up? I'm not even sure how I'm going to sharpen this with the black finish on here. I'm not a big sharpening guy, so if you have any advice, let me know. Here's that glass breaker at the tip here. Overall, I'm kind of pleased with it. It's not exactly, it is what I wanted. I wanted a Tanto shape. I didn't want a dual edge dagger blade because I feel like that dagger design has only one purpose, and that's for knife fighting. Because like if you want to do any kind of knife work, you know, you want to be able to choke up and press down on the blade sometimes, you know, and get up on the blade and do fine detail work and stuff like that. And with the dagger, the dual edged blades, you can't do that. You put your thumb up there and you try to do something, you're gonna split your thumb up. So yeah, for utilitarian purposes, I went with the Tanto blade. I'm glad I did. This is gonna be my everyday carry and everyday use knife, you know, along with a few things that go in the pouch with it. It's a secondary blade and all that. But yep. So never say that Glock Ninja is always cheap. I do sometimes buy nice things. All right. So, take another lookie. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. You know, I'm like, I wanted to get a flipper, maybe a nice flipper. For the money that I spent on this, I probably got it. I probably could have got like a real nice bench made bug out or something like that, you know. But I'm thinking like, okay, if I'm gonna do flippy action or a real quick on the draw, you know, get that knife out there quick kind of thing, I might as well just go all the way and get automatic, you know. And I was gonna go cheap and buy something budget, but then I said, well, let me just for once just go all out and get the top notch, and that way, and especially when you're gonna buy something like this where it's an automatic, and you know, you want to get the best reliable one you can, because you don't want something that's real cheap and it fail on you while you're doing something heavy duty, you know. And this has a reputation of being able to handle heavy duty situations, and so that's why I went and got it. You know, it's like price of a inexpensive gun, but sometimes knife is that important, folks. Knife is that important. Yep, gotta practice with my left hand too, because this little action here is very firm, but once you get used to it, it's like fun. Nice, I like it. All right, if you have any questions, if you want to look at this knife even further, I'll do videos on it in the future. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you later.